Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astral Hook rod in Fisch. This legendary fishing tool is a game changer for any serious angler. While it requires dedication, the method is simple and free. We will cover the single main requirement and how to prepare for your journey to obtain this incredible rod, boosting your in-game success. The core of acquiring the Astral Hook rod is straightforward. You must reach level 2500. This is the highest level currently available in Fisch, making it an end-game item. Once you hit this milestone, the rod is automatically added to your equipment bag without any cost. Sometimes, catching one more fish or restarting your game makes it appear. To reach level 2500 efficiently, focus on strategic experience grinding. Prioritize fishing in areas known for high experience yields. Weekends often feature 2x experience events, which are perfect for accelerating your progress. Aim for legendary or mythic rarity fish, as they provide substantial experience points. Also, remember to explore new map locations for one-time experience bonuses. The Astral Hook rod offers incredible benefits. It boasts 100% lure speed and 200% luck, making every catch easier. You also get a passive 15% progress speed boost. Catching 12 fish spawns an astral pool for 60 seconds, giving an 80% chance for 6x value astral mutations. Plus, perfect casts and catches have a 10% chance for 7.5x value stardust mutations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.